Hey, what's up? It's Denver of Sin City, and you're watching DenverTV. Today, I'm going to talk about how do you choose what places to travel to as an adult entertainer. Stay tuned. Alright, so y'all got y'all travel tips, right? You know what to do, what not to do, and you know how to make it easier. But as an entertainer, how do you know where to go? You hear about places. Oh man, you should go here or you should go there. But maybe you went and it didn't work out for you. How do you know where to go? You know, or maybe you did go somewhere and you thought it was going to be better and it wasn't that good. So how do you know where to go? And strategically plan it. Here's how. First, let me put this in your head. Do not listen to nobody. That's rule number one, okay? Because I don't care if they look like you. I don't care where they went, what they did. Most lie about what the hell they making. I'm going to just throw that out there right now, okay? Don't listen to nobody. That's number one. Rule number one, that's the diamond rule. Yes, I give the diamond rule first this time because that's the most important. Now that you got that out of your head, what you need to do is, first off, you need to look and see where other people are that don't look like you. Again, that don't look like you. But Denver, why would I go somewhere where no one looks like me? How will I know that they will like me or not? Okay, I'm going to sit down and say this one. You ever heard of opposites attract or law of attraction or, stuff like that? Also, do you really think people want to see the same thing all the time? Do you want to see the same thing all the time? It go down to food. What if you had cheeseburgers for a month? And then finally, some chicken showed up. That's why. But I will say this. In choosing, places, where, people don't look like you or whatever. Let's just say you decided to go to Ohio. Right? And you want to see if it's going to be cool for you. So, also somebody told you, for instance, about Florida, and you decided to listen to them, whatever. Or you want to try it yourself. You don't post Ohio and Florida at the same time. No. You want to know why? Because potential clients Google your number, you see what I'm saying, and look you up. Now you look like you're spam. Now you look like you're fake. If you want to try out Ohio, you do stuff on the way. Chicago, Indiana, Ohio. Now it looks like you're on a traveling trip and you don't look like spam. For instance, if you want to go to Florida, you would post stuff on the way. For instance, places, Georgia, I would not say Alabama, but that's on the way. Louisiana, Texas, the Carolinas, stuff around there to make it look like a traveling trip because you don't want to look like spam. Also, what that does is give you potential places that you can go during that trip or later. So you kill two birds with one stone. You get to see where it could potentially be cool for now or later. What you definitely don't want to do is post Ohio, Florida, Nebraska, California. No. Always around. Even if you post cities near the city you want to go. Always do that. It's best. Alrighty, well, that's all it is, and how to know where to go when you're traveling as an adult entertainer. You want to make the best out of it, like Rick Ross said, money triple up when you get it out of state. Hey, but anyway, remember the travel tips. Don't look like spam. Make yourself look like you're going on a travel trip, and Boom. There you go. Potentials come from posting in places around where you're actually going. So, there you go. And once again, if you like this content, please like or comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. The button is right there. And thank you for watching Denver TV. I'll see you next time.